We've had a wonderful morning. It's been a wonderful opportunity to get together with our partners and our whanaunga from Mercury Energy.
A real desire and hope and determination also to create an amazing future.
Our partnership is a bit like a marriage, and like a marriage, today is about reconfirming our vows. So we haven't had to make new ones, but it's a very important day for Mercury.
But the environment created such a sense of loss, in terms of land loss, in terms of changes to the awa, with the taking of land and the building of dams across our takiwā. But our people 20 years ago and further back still chose to acknowledge that mamae, but to find a way to come together for the betterment of our people, our whenua and our awa.